Presenting LeadExtractor Pro, the world's first AI software that instantly extracts millions of targeted, real, and verified email IDs and phone numbers from Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, Facebook, Google Maps, Twitter, and Reddit. In any niche or business, in any country, in just 60 seconds with just 2 clicks. How does it work? Step 1. Enter a business keyword, real estate agents in New York, or e-commerce owners in the USA. Step 2. Select a platform, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, Facebook, Google Maps, Twitter, Reddit, and view thousands of leads generated by AI. Step 3. Click and download the file. Imagine having a goldmine of targeted data ready to download with just 1 click, all under your control. The fact is, leads are the lifeblood of any business. No leads equals no sales equals no business. The truth is, everyone struggles to get leads in their business. We understand the pain of losing money on Facebook or Google ads with 0 results, wasting time, money, and effort on SEO, buying overpriced lead lists, only to find out 50% are dead emails and fake numbers. But what if you could flip the script? Instead of you searching for leads, what if leads came directly to you on autopilot? Fun fact, businesses spend thousands of dollars every month to find high-quality leads. With LeadExtractor Pro, not only can you use it for your own business, but you can also help other local businesses or agencies by providing them with leads. Here's what our beta users have achieved. 1. Sarah sells cold marketing leads on Fiverr and makes easy $500 per gig. 2. John closed his first $3,000 deal in 24 hours. 3. Chris used to pay $1,500 a month for lead lists, now gets unlimited leads for free. Our customers are already making $5,000 to $50,000 plus per month, just selling leads. Imagine what you could do. 500 real estate agent leads will easily pay $500 to $2,000 plus 1,000 business owner leads will easily fetch $1,000 to $5,000 plus 50 e-commerce brand. Contacts will go for $500 to $1,000, $500 plus 1,000 Instagram influencer leads, $1,000, $3,000 plus. The point is, real people are cashing in big with LeadExtractor Pro. Smart entrepreneurs are using LeadExtractor Pro to generate leads for their own business to grow sales, sell leads to agencies and freelancers, creating easy recurring income, offer lead generation as a high-ticket service, start a lead subscription business and charge clients monthly. So the only question is, will you be next? With LeadExtractor Pro, the possibilities are endless. The only catch, this deal won't last forever. For a limited time only, you can get lifetime access to LeadExtractor Pro for a one-time low price, no monthly fees. But once this launch ends, the price jumps to $197 a month like any other competitor. We're making this a no-brainer and 100% risk-free. Try LeadExtractor Pro for 30 days. If you're not blown away, you get a full refund. No risk, no hassle, just results. This is your one chance to grab a game-changing tool at the lowest price ever. Click the button below, lock in your lifetime access, and start generating leads today. Stop chasing clients, let them come to you. Get LeadExtractor Pro now, before it's too late.